Jinan Derrick Laser Technology Company Limited was established in 2014 in Jinan, the capital city of Shandong Province in China. We are a manufacturer and exporter combo of fiber laser cutting machine, fiber laser welding machine, fiber laser cleaning machine, CO2 laser engraving cutting machine, and fiber laser marking machine. With 10 years of experience, we have successfully built our R&D team, production team, professional sales team, and after-sales service team. Realize production, debugging, aging, quality inspection, packaging, export, and a series of standard operating procedures. The laser equipment has been successfully exported to 150 countries and regions, including the United States, Germany, France, the United Kingdom, Latin America, Australia, and Southeast Asia, etc. Our company has won CE and FDA certificates. Almost all machines have independent designs and have applied for national patents. And in the process of sales and after-sales service in overseas markets, we have won good reviews from a large number of our customers. Our tenet is provide quality machine and quality service. Now our company is vigorously developing overseas markets, seeking long-term cooperation and development partners. We promise to give our greatest support in terms of price and technology. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world to establish cooperation and achieve a win-win business with us together.